Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legion channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lenovo's Legion Blade 7000K PC configuration, Intel 14th and 13th generation HX CPU with much lower price versus desktop chip. So friend, Lenovo has unveiled its Legion Blade 7000K PC configuration which adopts Intel's 14th and 13th generation HX CPUs at much lower price. Interestingly, with the 2024 model, Lenovo has adopted the MoDT approach, meaning the mobile Intel 14th and 13th generation CPUs such as the Core i9 14900HX and integrated into the desktop form factor for optimal performance and lower cost. In terms of overall design, the Blade 7000K CSE retains the same overall shapes and look, and with a mesh design at the front airflow, the Legion RGB-lighten logo as well. The biggest modification made with newer model is the onboard specification, and starting with them, Lenovo has decided to utilize Intel's Raptor-like refresh mobile SKUs such as Core i9 14900HX, Core i7 14650HS and Core i7 13650HS. And friend, as discussed earlier, the firm decided to use mobile CPUs this time, aiming to provide a better price to performance ratio with their desktop builds. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.